Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm out here with my boy Fat.
What's up, what's up?
And Chris. Yeah, we're about to head out to Coronado. We're just waiting on 2 people. They just pulled up to my pad right now. These guys all got GoPros now. This guy's setting his up.
No, not a GoPro, 360.
Yeah, 360.
And that light he had was not a rigid. It's a freaking LP6.
Which light? Which light?
John's.
Oh yeah, from the last video, from the previous video. I guess it wasn't an LP6, but this one right here is the LP6. I'm just playing. Yeah. And I got my GoPro set up right here, or not GoPro 360 as well. All right, man. So they just pulled up. Yeah, they just pulled up. My boy Cruz and Art. Yeah, they just pulled up. Nice. So I'm gonna introduce these guys because they never met before, but these are my homies. This guy rode all the way from Arizona. What's up, Art?
Oh, dude.
How was it?
Long.
What's up, Cruz?
What's up,
Hey, Cruz, this is Fat,
Fat?
Chris, and then this is Art, Fat,
I'll
and
subscribe
Chris.
to your channel, bro. I'll subscribe to your channel.
But yeah, so we're about to hit up Coronado. Let these fools chill for a little bit because this guy had a long ride. But yeah.
We're in Arizona.
Oh, this is his bike right here. He's from Yuma. Right here. Yeah, this is his bike right here. It's a Harley Sport Glide. And then they're both Harley Sport Glides. Obviously, you can tell the difference. They fixed them up a little differently. Oh, I guess Brent showed up too. Brent's over here.
He wasn't about to go, but we kept posting.
So I guess Brent's here too.
He's like, fuck, man, I'm going down.
He has a lowrider ST, and then yeah, man. Well, you know it's a Saturday night cruise or Saturday cruise. We're gonna hit up Coronado, like I said, and hit up some other spots. Show our friends around from Arizona and from El Centro.
That's a far ass, yeah.
Hey, you just rode from Temecula?
What time did you leave?
Yeah, you guys are all 4. What's up, big dog?
What's going on, bro?
Damn, this is his bike right here. Clean too. These are all the bikes, man. This bike's sick right here. I like the steering. It's good in it.
Did it come like that?
This bike and that bike are the same bike.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, same model.
Are they different years?
Yeah, mine's an 18. Is yours 19? Art?
19.
You guys ready to eat? I know this guy had a long ride. I think you had the longest ride, second longest ride, third longest ride. And then mine was 10 minutes. 10 minutes away, but it's cool. We're all out here.
I'm alright with it. Fuck these guys.
You have a GoPro too?
No.
Just that Insta 360, the old one.
Alright, cool. Let's go. Alright, now I'm in.
Thank you.
It's a little warm, huh? What you can get now? Just that. Yeah, Cruz. From Yuma, dog. In Arizona.
That's crazy. Ride to Arizona from here?
And then your server's gonna be right out.
Cool, thanks. Some double seconds. Yeah, that's mine. Nice, thank you.
Can I get this 805 762?
Bro, that's just so good. I feel like that's like soda. You want to try it?
Salty cream coming in on your left.
Yeah, that's bomb.
Thank you.
Yeah, can I get the salty fruit?
The salty cream. Do you want a enchilada style or anything? 2 weeks.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, cool.
Ooh, bread with the salad bowl. This one with the wet burrito.
It's super healthy, bro.
No, I didn't know it was that like this.
Is it good, Chris? Got me some chorizo, egg. It's gonna be like a food mukbang too, dude. Look, damn. I was like, pickled onion in it. Like it?
Got the whole Bronx kid.
Just got done eating, walking back to our bikes. About to hit the Embarcadero. Show these guys like a pretty good view. Hopefully they don't park in there. in the winter time. Beautiful weather. So this is it. You never been here, Art? Chris, you been here?
Never been here.
Nice, dude. Glad to show you guys San Diego, man. This is Embarcadero. We go fishing on this side and everything. A lot of people in the summertime, people do go swimming there. I never have, but I've seen people do it. It's a cool place to take a little stroll, man. It's on the other side of downtown San Diego. And then there's a ferry that takes you from here to there, to downtown. This is winter time. It's Christmas, as you guys can tell about the signs. But I mean, check it out. People are just wearing shorts. And this is summertime in Cali, Southern Cali. It's a beautiful day. So we made it up to La Jolla, pulled up, got some good bike parking. Hey, you got really close. Art, lane split it, dude. Little gangster, dog. Hey, you didn't see how close that shit was close, dog. Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah. Oh, you guys want to go down there? Yeah, just do it. All right. Yeah, this is La Jolla. A little snippet of it. So the coffee's right here on this side. But if you guys want to go in more, we can. You guys want to smoke hookah? You guys want to smoke hookah? I'm good. I'm just gonna get just coffee. So we just go just for coffee. But this is what it looks like. You guys want to check out the bathrooms over here? If you guys need the bathroom, it's gonna be this way. It's pretty nice, dude. Alright, here we are, man. Our new clubhouse.
We'll get a beer.
You can get a beer?
Yeah.
Alright, man.
What time do they belly dance?
Huh?
What time's the belly dance?
I don't know. Who's gonna belly dance for you? Yeah, what time are you belly? I'm just joking.
Hey, you guys want to see a belly button ring? Show your belly button ring.
Yeah, so they always mess with Chris. He's actually cool. Looking guys. Nah, but the living room is a cool place, cool little lounge. Nice. What did you get, bro?
Coffee.
That's it. Just black coffee. It don't look like black coffee.
Mocha, I don't know.
Mocha. Yeah. He's mad at you, fool. Don't be mad, dude. Who's what? Ah. Who's Rita Fresh?
I guess the belly dancer. She's on the screen.
Oh. The living room.
Even if there's all the female.
There's Bren chilling. What's up, Bren? Alright, so we back out. We're back out here, but yeah. You drinking 805, you said?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man, this one. Yeah. Cruise has a long ride home. That's beast, dude. Traveling across state lines. Alright, man. Cruise is packing up, ready to go back to Yuma. He bought this little thing right here that keeps his butt nice and warm. Or is it warm or is it to be comfortable, right? Soft. Is it air?
Water.
That's water? Oh, cool. And it helps like crazy?
Really, really helps out.
Actually looks cool. Stay too. There's art setup. He's putting on all his gear. He has like a shirt that keeps out. Oh yeah, 2 of those shirts. Damn,
shirts, dude.
2 thermal shirts, dude. Keep them nice and warm.
Guns away, bro.
Some nice gloves. Are those your riding shoes?
Yeah, they're insulated.
What? All right. I see. I get it. All these people are trying to take. Oh, that's that way.
Hey, Jay. Hey, Jay.
What's up?
Remember what you said?
What'd I say?
You said the best looking bike was this one right here.
Nah, I didn't say that.
That's what he said. That's what Jay said. He said, Jay said this is the best looking bike.
I like it.
Hey, what kind of coffee is that again?
Strawberry macchiato.
Everywhere he goes, he gets a strawberry drink.
Bomb. So good.
Hey, how do you drink it with the pinky up, right?
Do it all day. Classy, dude. Stay classy, San Diego. You taking off, bro? All right, I guess Brent's taking off too now. It's just gonna be me and these guys. All right, later, doggy. Ride safe, man. I know you got a far ride home. All right, bro. Yeah, you guys all ride safe. Hey, text us when you guys get home. And text us when you get home too. Both of you.
All right, we'll do.
Let us know when you guys get home. There goes Brent. All right, here we go. Backing it up because we didn't park it inwards.
Right there. We
So,
gotta go back that way, right?
yeah, go out that way. There we go. Yeah. Man, we just pulled up. We're in Claremont. It's just us 3 now. Everyone else went home. People have things to do, but yeah, man. Just did 2 Indians and 1 Harley. All the bikes look the same, but they're different. Nah, someone said we all have the same bike, but we don't.
Nah, this is the best thing right here, bro. This is the best thing right here.
Yes, all you could beat. The massage place, all you could beat. No, it's not a buffet, bro. You just grab your noodles, eat what you want. It's like $12 a pound. That's it. All right, fellas. I did. Good stuff. Ooh, some South Stone. I'm still waiting for these guys to get their food. Yeah, so you got your food? Thank you, bro. Damn, that looks good. Oh, yeah, that looks good. We should get fat.
I don't know.
That looks bomb, though.
No idea, dog.
Oh, it's good, dude. I got. Oh. What is that?
I didn't get that shit.
What is it? What is that? Bat wing.
Where did this come from?